Searching for single-serving slow cooker recipes feels like reading the same sentence 5 times. Every book says no waste, easy meals, perfect for one. But which ones actually deliver without leftovers piling up or guesswork ruining dinner? The real difference isn't in the cover. It's in the details most authors don't show you.
Product number 1, Maggie Lowe's True Single Serve Guide. First up is Maggie Lowe's Crockpot meals for one person. What caught my eye was how specific it is. This isn't just scaled down recipes, but ones built from the ground up for tiny batches. At $13.86, it's priced like a serious cookbook, not a flimsy PDF. If you want meals that actually fit your 1.5 or 2-quart mini crock without math or waste, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Every recipe includes exact cook times for both pot sizes on low and high, so you're never guessing if your chicken is safe to eat. It covers chicken, beef, lamb, pork, fish, seafood, and plant-based options, all made with familiar ingredients, not processed shortcuts. Plus, it gives simple doneness cues like meat pulls apart easily, so you don't overcook. And honestly, the freezer-friendly option being optional, that's refreshing, because sometimes you really don't want leftovers. Now, some people might complain there are no reviews yet, which makes sense since it's newer. Here's the thing though, if you're tired of having family recipes and still ending up with extra, this level of precision is rare. This is perfect for you if you own a small slow cooker and hate food waste. Skip this one if you prefer visual step-by-step photos. There aren't many. For the price, you're getting serious value in clarity and portion control.
Product number 2, Dr. Hambright's 200-plus recipe powerhouse. Now, if Maggie's book felt a bit minimalist, Dr. Maria B. Hambright's Crockpot cookbook for one person brings serious volume. Over 200 recipes at just $11.99. That's less than 6 cents per recipe. If you want variety without buying 5 different books, this one's a no-brainer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes everything from breakfast to dessert, so your slow cooker isn't just a dinner tool. The no math, no waste promise means each recipe is truly single serving, and the smart adaptation tips help you swap ingredients based on diet or what's in your pantry. All ingredients are everyday items, no hunting for exotic spices. The set it, forget it approach fits busy singles who still want comfort food or clean eats. Now, some people might say 200 recipes sounds overwhelming. Here's the thing though, having options means you'll actually stick with it instead of burning out on 3 repeat meals. This is perfect for you if you crave variety and hate eating the same thing twice in a week. Skip this one if you only cook a few times a week and don't need that much content. For under $12, it's an insane value if you use even a quarter of the recipes.
Product number 3, Michelle Carter's Mini Cooker Bible. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for students or tiny kitchens. Michelle J. Carter's 2-quart mini slow cooker cookbook for one at $10.99. This one zeroes in on the most common small cooker size, so there's zero confusion about fit. If you've ever tried a recipe that overflowed your mini crock, you'll appreciate this focus. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Every recipe is tested for 2-quart pots, meaning no trial and error. It's designed for singles, students, and busy cooks who want reliability. The instructions are straightforward, and the batch sizes eliminate guesswork. While it doesn't list every recipe type like the others, its strength is consistency. You know it'll work. Now, some people might be turned off by the lack of detailed feature descriptions or reviews. Here's the thing though, sometimes simplicity is the point. Not everyone wants 200 recipes. Some just want 50 that actually fit their pot. This is perfect for you if you own a 2-quart slow cooker and want no-fail meals. Skip this one if you're cooking for occasional guests or want dietary-specific options. At under $11, it's a smart, no-fluff investment. Product number 4, Glenn Winkowski's Practical 1.5-Quart Guide. Now, if the 2-quart focus didn't match your setup, Glenn Winkowski's Crockpot Recipes for One cookbook is built specifically for 1.5-quart models, and it's only $8.49.
That's the cheapest on this list, but don't let the price fool you. If you have the smallest common slow cooker size, this one speaks your language. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It teaches you how to use your 1.5 quart pot efficiently, with detailed steps and quick prep tips. It's not flashy, but it's practical. Ideal for single men and women who want streamlined meals without waste. The recipes are tailored, and the advice on adjusting portions shows real understanding of solo cooking. Now, some people might find it lacks flair or gourmet appeal. Here's the thing though, not every meal needs to be fancy. Sometimes you just want a hot, balanced dinner with minimal effort. This is perfect for you if you're new to slow cooking or have a 1.5 quart model. Skip this one if you want international flavors or dessert focus. For under $9, it's an unbeatable entry point.
Product number 5, Phyllis Good's Giant Recipe Library. Finally, if you're okay scaling down, Phyllis Good's Fix It and Forget It Big Cookbook has 1,400 recipes at $17.60. Yes, it's not single-serve focused, but hear me out. If you want one book that covers everything and can adapt, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's built for beginners with clear, confidence-boosting instructions. Even though most recipes serve more, the book includes guidance on halving, and many are naturally flexible. It's convenient for short-on-time cooks who still want variety. Now, some people will say it's not designed for one, and they're right. Here's the thing though, if you occasionally cook for 2 or freeze portions, this gives you long-term value no single-serve book can match. This is perfect for you if you want one cookbook to last years. Skip this one if you strictly refuse leftovers. At under $18, it's a legacy purchase, not a quick fix.
So, which one's best? Maggie Lowe's for precision, Dr. Hambright's for variety, Michelle Carter's for 2 quart owners, Glenn Winkowski's for budget-friendly basics, and Phyllis Good's if you want one book forever. None are perfect, but each solves a real problem for solo cooks. Pick the one that matches your pot, your pace, and your appetite.